JB Kind doors supply a range of internal bifold doors that are ideal for ensuites, cupboards and wardrobes. They can also be fitted as a pair to become a room divider. Follow this easy step-by-step guide to see how we fitted a JB Kind Tigress White bifold into our door showroom. Please note this fitting guide is only applicable for JB Kind's white bifold doors. JB Kind's oak bifolds are supplied with different door hardware, and although the process is similar, it is different in some parts, and we recommend referring to the fitting instructions supplied. JB Kind's bifold doors can only be fitted into a frame that does not have a rebate or stop. You will have received a ready hinged bifold door, a mount track and a pack of door hardware. This pack has step-by-step fitting instructions and includes everything you need to fit the door. To fit the bifold door, you will need a tape measure, drill and screwdriver. To mount the top track, mark 19mm back from the front edge of the frame head. Drill and screw it into place. There are a number of pivot plates that need to be fixed into position onto the door. Fix the first pivot place onto the top edge of the hanging side of the door. The pivot lock that is in the centre of the plate should be positioned 50mm from the hanging edge. Fix this into place. The roller guide plate should be fixed onto the top of the opening side of the door. The pivot lock that is in the centre of the plate should be positioned 38mm from the leading edge. Fix this into place. The bottom pivot plate should now be positioned underneath the hanging side of the door. The pivot lock that is in the centre of the plate should be positioned 50mm from the edge. Fix this into place. The jamb bracket should now be positioned at the bottom of the frame, with the screw hole 30mm from the edge. Fix this into place. Fix your chosen doorknob into the desired position. We recommend a position that is roughly halfway up the opening side of the bifold and 38mm from the centre meeting edge. Fold the bifold and lift into place. Be careful to make sure that the track pivot lock is unlocked. Position the pivot on the opening side of the door into the track groove first. Then place the pivot on the hanging side of the door into its receptor. When firmly seated, slide the tab lock. Depress the bottom pivot into the socket. If no vertical adjustment is needed, secure with 2 screws. The bracket can be adjusted if horizontal adjustment is required. Close the doors and slide the snubber until it touches the roller guide. Open the doors and move the snubber 3mm closer to the roller guide and tighten. The doors should snap shut, yet open easily with a slight pull on the knob. Position and screw into place a piece of timber 19mm by 19mm at the top to cover up the track. Visit jbkind.com for more information and for details on our UK network of suppliers.